Etna volcano has erupted. This is the Europe's most active volcano. It's not the tallest. The tallest is probably Mount Damavand, the tallest volcano in the Eurasia, but that's not active like the way that the Etna is. It has fumaroles. Today we had the Etna erupting. This is one of the numerous peaks that the Etna has. 3,357 meters. That's the highest point of this volcano. It had an ash cloud rising. This is a very rich magma, rich in water, volatiles. So it explodes instead of running or flowing. And during this explosion in the night, you can see it practically creating a lot of, volcanic bombs. This is the Africa pushing against Eurasia, subducting under the Eurasia, and the volcanoes like Etna in the Sicily are the result of it. They have a signature of the sulfur dioxide like many other volcanoes, and that's the way we know that the volcano is going to erupt or has erupted. Of course, pollution creates